Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply same transition to all slides on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have a bunch of my Canva, and as you can see, I have created some slides on this Canva. And wait, I'm just going to add some photos to the slide. Okay, like this. Alright, and then if we want to apply same iteration to all clips, we need to go to the iteration menu. Okay, and as you can see, we have 5 seconds, and I'm going to edit it. Okay, for example, I'm just going to make it shorter, so it's about 0. Oh no, not 0. I think 1. Okay, and then we just need to click on apply to all pages. Okay, and now all of these slides or the pages have been changed, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply same duration to all slides on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.